Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we'll dive into a range of must-have gadgets and tools that you can incorporate into your daily life. From tech innovations to handy devices, we cover everything you need to know to level up your productivity and efficiency. BaSt-Ing ValRemote, a game changer for the timber industry. With the timber market projected to reach a staggering $193 billion by 2025, innovation is key to streamlining operations. Loggers, rejoice! The BaSt-Ing ValRemote is here to revolutionize the logging industry, making it safer and less physically demanding. This incredible tool simplifies tree felling, effortlessly bringing down even the largest trees with ease. Equipped with a powerful wedge, the BaSt-Ing ValRemote makes quick work of any tree. Once inserted into a sufficiently large gap, the tree comes down swiftly and safely. It's no wonder this attachment tops the charts as one of the most invaluable tools for loggers. For just $3,317, you can get your hands on the complete set, ensuring you're ready to tackle any tree in your path. With the BaSt-Ing ValRemote, logging has never been safer or more efficient. No tool countdown is truly complete without considering safety, and the Safelad is one of the most ingenious inventions of modern times. This universal ladder support offers unmatched peace of mind for construction workers and anyone who relies on ladders. With the Safelad, slipping or teetering over becomes a thing of the past, even when working solo. Complete ladder safety is now within reach, as this tool can be easily attached and adjusted to secure your ladder at various angles. No power source is needed for the Safelad, and it even comes with a built-in level for added assurance. Exciting news awaits as the creator of this revolutionary tool has secured investment for a major launch in Norway, Denmark, and Sweden. But we eagerly await the day when the Safelad finds its way into every toolbox worldwide. Ridgid Octane Router, the latest addition to Ridgid's impressive lineup of tools. Crafted to streamline all your woodworking tasks, this router stands at the pinnacle of innovation. Weighing just 2.7 lbs, it's compact yet powerful, boasting a 15% increase in performance compared to its predecessors. Powered by a battery for ultimate handheld convenience, this router incorporates advanced features like soft starting to prevent accidental damage to your wood. Plus, with a built-in vacuum chute, you can say goodbye to sawdust messes. Adjusting the depth is a breeze thanks to the micro-adjusting dial, eliminating the need for specialized tools. The $180 kit includes everything you need to get started: the router itself, along with a bit, 2 bases, an edge guide, 2 dust ports, and a collect wrench. It's unbeatable value that you simply can't afford to miss out on. Mini Smart Forklift. As construction machines evolve, our latest focus is on the forklift. Meet the Mini Smart Forklift, a compact hydraulic version perfect for various settings, from repair shops to warehouses and supermarkets. Despite its small size, weighing just 287 lbs, it boasts an impressive lifting capacity of 1,213 lbs, 500 kilograms. Compact yet mighty, this forklift is only 29 inches wide, but reaches a lifting height of 59 inches. Integrated with smart technology, it offers an unparalleled experience with single-button control, virtually eliminating the chance of errors. Even new employees can quickly become proficient with this user-friendly forklift. For pricing information, reach out to the manufacturers directly. And stay tuned for Ridgid's version of the good old pipe bender. It's coming up next. Speed Heater Cobra. Say goodbye to the days of tedious and laborious paint removal. The latest innovation from Cobra Company has revolutionized the process. Using cutting-edge infrared technology, this tool can soften even the thickest layers of paint in less than 5 seconds, all without the need for harsh chemicals. The company behind this remarkable gadget boasts the fastest speed on the market, but its capabilities don't stop at paint removal. It's also perfect for stripping window caulking, varnish, and glue. With its ergonomic design, the Speed Heater Cobra offers comfortable, one-handed operation. Plus, its innovative technical solutions make it an eco-friendly choice, consuming approximately 75% less energy than its competitors. As a bonus, a range of complementary accessories, such as scrapers, are available to enhance your experience, and weighing in at just 1.3 loaves, 6 kilograms. About the same as a standard loaf of bread, it's easy to handle. With a reasonable price tag of $399, the Speed Heater Cobra is a game changer for your projects. Bessie Cabinet Base Frame Clamps. This innovative clamp is designed to revolutionize your workflow like never before. Crafted from ultra-durable aluminum steel, it's sturdy yet lightweight at just 1.6 loaves, 0.7 kilograms. With a powerful clamping force of up to 2,000 newtons, you can trust it to secure your workpieces firmly in place. Worried about damaging your work surface? Don't be. The clamp comes with self-adhesive felt strips for added protection. Featuring adjustable clamping widths ranging from 3.2 to 4.7 inches, 8 to 12 centimeters, and a depth of 4 inches, 1 centimeter, it's versatile enough to handle a variety of projects. Plus, its compact design includes a special alignment plate for precise joints every time. Say goodbye to guesswork with the convenient pilot hole drill guide, making pre-drilling screw holes a breeze. And the best part, it's available at an affordable price of just $45. With the Bessie Cabinet Base Frame Clamps, efficiency and precision are within reach. More Power Puller. With a rich history spanning over half a century, this legendary homesteading companion has been a trusted tool for generations. First patented decades ago, it continues to be a symbol of reliability and innovation. Manufactured by a company with an impressive track record, the More Power Puller portable winch is designed to tackle a wide range of challenges. From toppling colossal multi-ton trees to lifting heavy loads, it's expertly crafted with precision and durability in mind. Depending on the model, it can lift weights of up to 6,603 tons, making it suitable for various tasks. Whether you're using steel or synthetic cables, it can handle lengths of up to 20 to 35 feet, 6 to 11 meters, with ease. When you invest in a More Power Puller, you're not just purchasing a winch, you're acquiring a piece of history built to withstand the test of time. And with a price tag of only $424, it's an investment worth making for your homesteading needs. Gold Blast Dust-Free Hand Sander. For all the sanders out there tired of dust clouds, Gold Blast has the solution. The new portable dust-free hand sander is a game changer, suitable for both drywall and woodworking projects. Setting it up is a breeze. It can be assembled in less than 5 minutes. Equipped with a special hose attachment, it promises to slash dust levels by up to 90%, sparing you from those sneeze-inducing clouds. Plus, it's compatible with most household vacuum cleaners, ensuring a clean workspace. With a nearly 6-foot hose and handy adapters included, it's a versatile tool. The handle is designed for comfort, so you can sand away without worrying about hand strain. While it's powerful, some find it a bit too potent for everyday tasks. Still, considering its effectiveness, the price is a steal at only $41. Say goodbye to dust clouds and hello to smoother sanding with the Gold Blast Dust-Free Hand Sander.